damage to vehicles is expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lonacanning, or near Frostburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Frostburg, Bel Air, Long Vale, Fort Ashby, Lonacanning, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Eckhart Mines, Rawlings, Barton, Midland, Midlothian, Flintstone, Woodland, Old Town, Spring Gap, and Short Gap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.